Slow is smooth and smooth is fast. I've often heard this saying and introduced it to high-performing software teams. The reason for the popularity of this saying is actually Navy SEALs, who often carry out complex operations that require careful planning in order to be executed smoothly and efficiently. This proverb might seem counterintuitive to some of you because we start off with something that is slow and end up with something that is fast. But the consistent glue between the two states is smoothness. In software engineering, smoothness is defined as having an understanding of where we are and where we are going and how we are going to get there. Taking time to properly plan, design, and understand the requirements of a product or a feature before diving into coding is going to be slow. But because of this solid foundational work, the actual development becomes straightforward and efficient, reducing the need for rework and last-minute fixes. Writing clean, maintainable, and well-documented code may take longer at first, but the long-term benefits are clear. Fewer bugs, less technical debt, and easier collaboration. With quality developed slowly up front, developers can implement changes faster later on because the code base is easier to understand and modify. Properly testing the code as you go and ensuring everything works before moving to the next part can slow down development temporarily. But later on, it leads to fewer production issues, quicker troubleshooting during development, and just fewer firefighting sessions. This is perhaps the most important advice that I can give you as someone who has 20 years of experience in software. Take the time to prevent burnout by balancing work and reducing stress. Avoid the rush to finish tasks quickly, but maintain focus on delivering quality code that makes intuitive sense to you and you are proud to own in the long term. Like a lot of things in software development, this principle isn't a discovery that was first made in software engineering. Its applications exist beyond just software development, and you can apply it to other aspects of your life as well. You might have heard the phrase, "Maye twice, cut once," which is just another established example of this principle. Smash that like and subscribe for more tips and tricks, and check out complete courses at Boolean Art.